What's up, everybody? Hope you've been well. Paul Perez, Texas Family Roofing. I'm not wearing my black and reds today, so sorry about that. It is super bright out here. Like, I can't even see the phone because I have all I can see is a reflection of myself. So hopefully this is getting recorded. Today we are on a apartment complex which has TPO and shingles. Well, I recorded about, 5 to 7 minutes and you guys didn't hear any of it. I'm back. It cut off. It's so hot up here right now. We will have a thermometer or a digital thermometer so we can see how hot it is up here. So I don't know if it's recording or not. We're gonna give it a go again, but we're on this roof. It's been leaking. I just did a small interview with Nick that didn't get recorded. He said there's 8 units, water's coming in. He was called out about 3 weeks ago, came out, did the inspection, looked at everything, gave them a proposal to come and do a maintenance on it. Since they don't need a full roof replacement, we need to maintenance this so that water's not coming in. What we're gonna do is we're gonna turn the camera around so you guys can see what's going on up here. If you own apartments or you manage apartments or you live in an apartment and you're having these problems, this is the stuff that you may be seeing or not seeing up on your roof. Let's turn the camera around and get started. What's up, Nick? How's it going?
Good. Hot.
Everything I recorded didn't get recorded, so we'll try take 2. All right, guys, here we go. So I'm gonna show you these other buildings that we're not working on. There's a ton of ponding water. So this roof is straight up flat, no slope. It's got nothing to divert the water from staying on top of these roofs. So that's one building there. That's another building there. This is another building as well. And then you can see those other buildings on the